Now that you have a solid layout for your brand, it is time to develop a purposeful voice to go with it. Click on Brand Voice just under the Brand Guide applet. Notice how some of the prompts will be very similar to the ones provided in the previous applet. Feel free to copy and paste your responses wherever they apply for greater efficiency. Just as you did last time, click Generate when you are done and wait for your results to load. As you can see, you will receive a few key examples and helpful tips, along with some things to avoid. Furthermore, you will receive a more in-depth action list just below it. Brainiest,